I'll go back home to my mother. She was bedridden for like 16 years.
Would I still be friends with you? And funny enough, the answer was no.
Yo, before we get into today's conversation with a young designer and a rhymer, Shivam Rawal, who happens to be my chuddy buddy, here's a few things I think you should know before we go into today's conversation. So number one, for context, I've known Shivam for over 25 years. We've been through life's all ups and downs. So today's conversation is a real look into Shivam's life, where he grew up, the houses he's built, how he writes those songs, the childhood trauma, and third, prediction for Rawal and this video in 2026. So I've seen Rawal up close for 25 years and I've never seen him work so hard, so diligently that I'm honestly impressed and inspired by his form right now. The project that is going to come out this year is going to blow your mind. It has blown my mind and I'm so excited for this. So today is January 19th and I predict Rawal is going to blow up this year. One quick note, I see that 95% of my viewers on this channel are not subscribed. I urge you to subscribe to this channel so you can bring in these guests, these exceptional guests, and these raw and unfiltered conversations that you would not find anywhere else. Thank you so much. Now on to today's episode.
Okay, it's 7 a.m. Today I'm going to surprise Shivam, one of my best friends. He had his birthday recently. I know. Birthday tha na tera kal.
Fuck birthdays, bro. Fuck birthdays.
Happy belated birthday, bro. मैं क्लच नहीं दबा रहा हूँ. Automatic की आदत.
A few moments later.
You know what, Nikhil तो side में लगा.
हाँ.
Yeah.
क्यों?
मैं चलाता हूँ.
You think?
Yeah, I know.
You would have fun? You didn't like my movies?
Not really. ठीक है बैठ. Tesla वाले लोंडे.
Welcome to Inner Scorecard. We are in West Delhi with Rawal OG. So, if you don't know Rawal, he is one of the most renowned rappers in Delhi, in India. And he happens to be my childhood friend. So, you know, like, lucky that we met.
Yo, man.
Lucky that we met so many years ago.
Definitely. How long has it been? Who's even counting?
And for the surprise today, Rawal is driving us there, but we're going to school.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be exciting. How long after are you going?
Bro, I haven't been, bro.
Since you left?
Yeah, since I left, I haven't been to school. I didn't go to any convocation. One time I wanted to go, bro, they weren't letting me in. So I was like, damn, was I that bad?
So, well, they don't know you're coming.
I mean, that's good, man. I'm pretty sure they've forgotten about me now.
I hope so. I hope so.
Nah, they haven't. I'm pretty sure once they're going to see me, they're going to remember. I really hope I get to meet Grace ma'am though. Nice of Karan to give the car also.
Yeah, he seemed very chill. Oh, sorry. He seemed very chill. Like, whatever.
Yeah, bro, that day, me and Karan also met as
Acha.
He had some free coupons for taco. And he
हाँ.
called me and मैं ऐसे ही लैपटॉप पे बैठा था उसी वक्त.
कब? अभी? Recently?
Yeah. जिस दिन हम TT खेले थे उसी दिन.
हाँ.
लास्ट जब करण के साथ TT खेले थे ना.
हाँ. For the shawarma.
रात को 10:30 बजे.
अच्छा.
Yeah, it was nice. I was
After?
I was like, hey, best friend. That's why he said, hey, best friend. So, yeah, that tripped me out, bro. His dad had polymyositis, bro.
Yeah. How rare is that?
It's super rare. He knows it.
Acha.
It's a super rare disease, bro. Like, so yeah, that was just like
a
trip a little bit. Because when I told him, he had to sort of like look me in the eyes for 5-6 seconds. He'd be like, yeah, तेरे भी वही था.
So Rawal, हम दोबारा record कर रहे हैं. This is funny.
Yeah, bro.
This is life.
It's life,
You
man.
have to have the same reaction.
Yeah, just some technical difficulties, bro. What can we do?
Technical difficulties, and we lost.
Can we zoom in on
1
Rohit?
hour. 1 hour of.
Yeah.
1 hour of footage.
Great footage. Can we zoom in on Rohit right now?
Rohit is like दोबारा
Yeah.
बोल देना क्या हो गया?
Yeah.
बोल ही दे बकबकी तो कर.
दोबारा बोल देना वही.
इसको
Just
emotion.
pretend कि तुम स्कूल जा रहे हो जब तुम स्कूल से वापस घर जा रहे हो.
So Rawal, बता तू like how has been when. So I would say you started out. I think we're talking to Sez.
Yeah.
2-3 दिन पहले उसके घर पे.
Definitely says, bro. Says.
Yeah, such a nice guy, man.
The
Like,
man.
I'm so amazed. He was such a gentleman.
He is,
Ah.
bro. He really cares about people,
Yeah, yeah.
and he makes sure that everybody is doing well. Like that's really important to him.
Yeah.
And he's a helper, bro.
Ah.
He helps people.
But he's also like, he can hold a very good conversation. Like, you
Oh,
know,
yeah.
we immediately found like 4 or 5
Common points.
And then he's like, yeah, I think also he knew about me through you.
Yeah.
So that made it easier. But I think
Yeah.
he like such a nice host.
And he has a sharp memory also, so he remembered.
yeah. I can see that.
He has a very sharp memory.
I
bro.
can see that. Yeah.
कभी किया नहीं ना उसने indulge.
Ah.
वैसे किया भी है थोड़ा बहुत, bro.
Not just that.
Here
I mean-
and there, but never enough. It's sharp.
Yeah. So tell me about this, bro. Like 13 years ago, you started in this rap scene.
Yeah.
And I know you want to have like a discussion on that. It's because
Yep.
it's not
We'll
13
get there.
years of
We'll
constant
get there.
effort.
We'll get there.
But
yes.
tell me, like, from your, so I'm asking you from a multi-lens perspective.
Yeah.
Your own individual. So Rahul is an artist, independent artist.
Yeah.
Then the whole music scene
Yeah.
in India around rap.
Yeah.
So 13 years ago, like when you started out, of course, I think you did not think how big this would be. But is it like even to that scale कि दिमाग घूम गया? Like इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ गया scene कि it's just, you know, out of proportions.
दिमाग तो नहीं घूमा, बट अच्छा लगा, bro.
Yeah.
अच्छा लगा कि हर बंदा अपने आप को एक यूनिक वे में एक्सप्रेस कर सकता है, एंड दे कैन मेक देयर ओन नीश.
Yeah.
And sub niches of, it's just cool to see, bro. At one point I could not see it. It was just like, yo, we like rap, let's
Yeah.
meet in malls and parks, in horse cars,
Yeah.
deer park में मिलके साइफर करते हैं, and let's see किसका वर्स सबसे अच्छा है. ऐसे कोई बंदा तुम्हें डिस करने लग जाएगा and you'll be like, oh, let me show you right now. That was all
Yeah.
we thought about, कि हाँ ऐसे मैं दिखाता हूँ कि मैं कितना skilled हूँ. That was it. और वो भी ऐसा नहीं like just on some random shit, bro. It's not like we were invested like that. तो
Right.
13 साल पहले जब मैंने किया था, it was just rapping here and there. Properly तो 5 साल पहले शुरू किया था, bro. When
हाँ.
switched to Hindi and logged in and made an album, bro. So that was when it got real and intense. When I switched to Hindi, when I saw the response, and that motivates you in a different way.
Yeah.
Especially from where I come from. Like my father's a businessman.
Yeah.
So he would always be like, कैसे करेगा तू जैसे तो like, and he's a great man. He's a great man, great
Yeah.
husband, great father and everything.
Right.
But he is analytic like that. He was like, oh, इतने
Yeah,
लाखों
yeah.
है, how are you gonna stand out?
Right.
But then I sort of, that's
What's
why I
your-
got into pursued interior design. I thought that was a good bridge between like
Yeah.
being creative and making financial income and
Yeah,
everything.
yeah.
So
Which is always very important to you. But tell me, like, कि उस time पे you used to think that this could be a career?
nah.
Did anybody around you think this could be a career?
I don't know. I would probably say Divine thought.
Yeah.
Because he was really invested, bro. So
Ah.
I would say he had that first mover advantage with him.
So he always saw this key. This could be big enough for him to.
he always he made good projects. He made Voice of the Streets
Hmm.
and stuff like that at that time. And so he made Voice of the Streets, and he got the beat from a channel that, come on, bro. He got the beat from a French beat
Yeah.
channel, and that's where I got the beat for my sort of first song called Bittersweet Symphony.
Bittersweet Symphony. Yeah.
Symphony. So like that's how
That
we
was your
connected.
first song?
That was.
What did you say?
I think that was my first song.
Hmm.
I mean, पता नहीं और कोई
Trying
याद
to
नहीं आ
remember,
रहा.
हाँ.
I think that was my first song, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. And like shout out to Raga, bro. He still, whenever
Yeah.
he meets somebody else with me, वो उसे बोलता है कि भाई this was my favorite underground song at the time.
So उस time पे
तो
nobody
मेरी और
really.
डिवाइन की बात हुई थी
हाँ.
तब हम मिले थे दिल्ली में. वो आया था जेडी के साथ. उसने बोला था बॉम्बे आओगे तो मिलना. And yeah, it was all cool, bro. But वो properly करता था. He from the streets and like, you know, we all were just like maneuvering. And then उसने ये मेरा बॉम्बे में हिंदी वर्स कर दिया. और उससे पहले भी बहुत लोग करते थे. Like I said, there was Knuckle Duster, RIP to him.
Yeah.
There was Karthikeya, aka Keepsake, MC Heem. And if I'm gonna not name anybody, it's probably because I don't remember.
Yeah.
But there were people who were
Right,
doing that. और फिर उसने एक अच्छे तरीके से उसने फिर जब किया ना तो एक वो बहुत सही चीज़ बन गई थी. और उसने भी एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था ब्रो. पहला वर्स हिंदी, सेकंड इंग्लिश. बिकॉज ही वाज आल्सो लाइक टेस्टिंग द वाटर्स. बट वो हिंदी वाला वर्स इतना सही ऐसा पिकअप हुआ ना, फिर सब बोलने लगे कि यार इट्स नॉट अनकूल. Like rapping in Hindi is pretty cool. Like that's how we make it our own.
So that was weird for you because all the rap you would consume was in English.
That was weird for us, bro. Like
Ki
not
bhai
just me,
Hindi mein
like
kaun-
sort of. Oh my god,
Yeah.
what the fuck was that? Sorry. Yeah.
So that was like it was just weird to.
Yeah,
rap
it was
in
like
Hindi.
yeah, it was just like हिंदी में क्या करोगे भाई, मतलब कोई करता ही नहीं था. It was like इंग्लिश में ही करते हैं, सुनते इंग्लिश में, यही होता है. It was just so like I look back at it and I laugh sometimes कि collectively we were all just like this. कि we never thought कि हाँ हिंदी में करना चाहिए. Like, it's such a simple
Yeah.
idea, but it took time for all of us to realize कि हाँ.
But these Mumbai ciphers, they were doing it in Marathi.
नहीं, उस वक्त मराठी में,
English.
मुंबई साइफर में नहीं ब्रो, इंग्लिश में हो
English ही
रहा
होता
था.
था.
इंग्लिश हो रहा था. मुंबई में भी इंग्लिश ही हुआ था. बैंगलोर में भी इंग्लिश ही हुआ था. एक्चुअली दिल्ली में हिंदी और इंग्लिश हुआ था.
So like, was it also because the people who were doing it were from well-off like areas?
Oh, absolutely not, bro. It had nothing to do with
Uh-huh.
being well off. It was just like that's the norm. Doesn't matter where you're from.
You have to do it in English.
You
Acha.
you must do it in English because that's the way it's supposed to be.
And the
you
beat
know?
producer usually like, is that how you met? Says.
Oh yeah. So there was a cipher in Mayur Vihar, some mall.
Yeah.
That's where I saw Raga, Frappe Ash, Youngster, BK,
Uh-huh.
and other people that I'm forgetting.
Uh-huh.
And then वहाँ पे मैं जा रहा था metro से, and then I still remember Sez was wearing a blue shirt
Yeah.
in metro, and I was like, oh, you're Sez, right? And then we started talking, and then that's how we met, bro. उसके बाद फिर मैं उसके घर गया था कई बार, and yeah, bro, Sez was also like one of those people who I think really was invested in the whole music journey, because it was difficult for me
Yeah.
because I was like, यार English rap से पैसे कैसे बनाते हैं, ये कैसा होता है, like ये भी होता है क्या कुछ.
Yeah, yeah.
But with him he was like, भाई मैं beats बनाऊंगा और अच्छा music बनाऊंगा, और अगर किसी को भी rap करना होगा तो फिर मैं हूँगा. I am that guy that you come to.
Yeah.
And he is still that guy, and he's always been that guy. And शुरुआत से ही. Bro, like I always say कि अगर Sez नहीं होता तो गली बॉय का क्या होता,
Yeah, yeah.
और अगर गली बॉय नहीं होता तो इंडियन रैप का क्या
Right,
होता,
right.
you know. So it's that.
That's true.
Yeah, bro. He made that song.
I was so proud of it. Like when Gully Boy, when the whole thing started,
Yeah.
he Gully Boy बन रही है,
Yeah.
and then it came out. I think we did a good job.
मेरी गली में उसने बनाया
Yeah,
ना,
yeah.
bro, that song. So that changed. That was like, oh भाई, you can take the elements of the street and do like a
Yeah.
very cultural,
Yeah. Make it
culturally
like.
relevant piece of music, bro.
I think one thing I wonder often is, तेरे को क्यों लगता है, like why are we able to like run this tight ship?
Yeah, I would say, bro, because of, I think I would have to give you a lot of credit for that as well, because like you said, you grew up in a joint family, so there was always that need of communicating with the whole family and making sure everyone's heard,
Yeah.
and you listen to everyone and talk to everyone and check on them. So that's a great quality that you have. At the same time, bro, I just remember smiles and laughs with you, like
Ah.
nothing malicious, and that still stays. Like I've never ever felt like I've ever had to compete with you, like or anything like that. Just like I don't remember that feeling with you. It was just like smiles, laughs, हंसी करेंगे, मजे करेंगे,
हाँ.
and अभी भी वो कहीं ना कहीं that is still alive and is going to
yeah.
be alive for as long as we're alive. So that, and I think the West Delhi boys. You grew up in Janakpuri. I grew up in Tagore Garden.
Yeah.
Same school. And yeah, bro, like that's my part of it. Like that's the way that I see it.
I think like I was thinking about it a few days ago as well. So मैं तुझे भी बता रहा था कि like had I, you know, would I be your friend if you weren't that famous?
Yeah.
Like, or if you didn't make it this big, would I still be friends with you?
Yeah.
And funny enough, the answer was no. Like,
Yeah.
you know, like I don't think I would have been friends with you if you were not famous. And that's primarily because if you did not put in the effort,
Yeah.
तो अगर effort ही नहीं मारता, then you would have been a different person.
Yeah.
So for me, that was very important. कि तू fight मारे, and that is, I think, a very common theme, right? Along in our lives, कि you have always pushed hard, you've always wanted more,
Yeah.
and you've always deserved that success,
Yeah. Thank you.
right? So I think it's the same for me. It's very important to deserve success.
अपने मुंह से नहीं बोलना चाहता, but आजकल लोग मिलके मेरे को बोलते हैं. They remind me because they feel like they should remind me, and it's a good thing. They tell me that the sort of work that I've done that has helped shape the music culture a little bit. Because we sort of made music which showed कि हाँ भाई, you can,
This is possible.
yeah, you can do this too.
Yeah.
You don't just have to do this. You don't just have to make a certain kind of music. You can really be experimental and have different kinds of just sonics and
Right.
themes in a single project. So that must have helped. There's no other way.
Yeah.
That has to help people
Yeah.
and sort of make them realize ki, yeah, you can do it too. And the way that we came up was also so organic. So you just feel that a little
Yeah, yeah.
more. Ki, yeah, these guys are not out here talking about marketing budgets. Ki हाँ क्या करें, and like you
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
like Zoom calls पे Excel sheets बना रहे हैं. नहीं bro,
हाँ.
we're just putting out the music and we're getting people on board because they're liking our music, and it's just a blessing to like just be a part of that. So that has
Yeah, and
been,
I also think कि उसके अलावा like you know you've been like putting in the effort, but I feel that कि तूने इतनी मेहनत करी, उससे चीज़ें आई, and then you know you kept on grinding it, and I think funny enough I think हमारे the number of calls we do, unless I'm in Delhi,
Yeah.
it goes up higher as your project is coming to release, because I think that's where we are having the most back and forth on things. Is generally right कि release कब करना चाहिए, and
Yeah.
this is this stress and pressure, right, where you need
Yeah.
someone to give you a very
Yeah.
neutral
Yeah.
conversation, but not even that, just like hear you out कि भाई
Yeah.
चल क्या रहा है, because
and I
a
give,
lot-
and I put you on that stance
Yeah.
because like I have a lot of respect for you, bro. Like I
Ah.
tell my friends ki yo, this is my friend Nikhil, he does this, and he's married. Like I give them a little bit of a
Resume,
biodata, yeah,
yeah.
like ki this is, because that's just the respect I have for you. And also we lost our mother, so that's something in common.
Yeah.
But even without it, I feel like just the temperament was, that's why when I'm like close to putting a project out, so maybe I ask you a little bit of ye, and you ask me to kya soch raha hai, and
yeah, so it is effort. I
Yeah.
think it is mental and physical effort.
yeah.
कि भाई you need to be in the right mind space. So sometimes when you call me or I call you,
Yeah.
it's not possible to talk because we're not in the mental frame to
Yeah,
respectfully give each other like 1 घंटा. So our
Yeah.
conversations are 1 hour long,
yeah,
usually,
yeah.
right? So
And sometimes it's also 5-10 minutes, and we've never had that ki bhai,
exactly,
oh yaar, time nahi diya, or it's just like
yeah, it's just very
unsaid
natural.
and understood ki bhai,
Yeah, I respect you enough
Yeah.
कि जब मेरे time होगा I'll call you back, but I also make sure कि
Yeah.
we do that.
yeah.
Do you feel a little nervous today? I have known you for like over 20 years. I get to sit and ask you questions.
About that, no, not about that.
Ah.
But yeah, there's thoda sa, like I'm not somebody who is just like looking forward to a podcast necessarily, just the way that I am. And if I'm gonna sit with somebody, I think it's good if they know me and if they have a certain understanding of life, you know.
Bhai, this is a beautiful time to ask you.
Yeah.
What is Delhi for you, bro? Like what is a space like Delhi holds for you?
Delhi is home. Delhi is rugged. It's raw. It's gritty, but it has its beauty. It has its charm. It's direct. It's emotional. Delhi is emotional, bro. Like you can,
There's a lot of stimulus.
yeah, you can talk to a person the wrong way and they're gonna be like really triggered by it, and they're probably gonna be up for a fight or something. But if you just do the opposite all of a sudden,
Yeah.
then you'll see that, oh, like such a sweet person. So it's just, yeah, there's that. And this very like, in terms of jitna maine gather kiya, Delhi is like a bit more direct about how they feel. It's a little harder to like conceal and be a bit like sort of, I don't know, like sort of diplomatic about how you feel and maneuver like that. Delhi people, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़े से,
They're direct on the
yeah,
face.
yeah. I mean,
You'll
obviously,
get to see.
obviously I'm generalizing.
Yeah, but you'll get to see what they're feeling just through their expression and their
Yeah, it's
reaction.
hard for them to hide it, you know.
Also, you're very family oriented. Like
Yeah.
there's no,
My dad's
Yeah.
75,
yeah,
and it's just me and him and my dog. So like,
yeah.
I don't. It's
There's
sort of. It's
nothing-
been hard to like just imagine. I mean, I used to think about it
Yeah.
back like
Oh, where?
Come on, dog. 7 years back, कि हाँ, you had arguments with him also. कि why don't all my friends are going? But then later on, I just realized, nah, that's just like these are the cards that I'm dealt with.
Yeah.
I have to deal with. So, and that's okay, bro. You gotta accept, and it's all right. I have things that others might not have, and you know, and vice versa. So it's all right.
Did you have this feeling like growing up?
No, not so much. Like I said, I used to sort of wonder why am I not going. You know, I need that experience.
Yeah.
But like my dad was also like not very chill at
Yeah,
that
yeah.
point. He used to be like, you know, like a this typical ki हाँ अभी you have to figure out your life, your work, and what are you doing out ऐसे, just like concerned like anybody would be at that age.
Yeah, yeah.
But later on, I earned my stripes a little bit. I showed him कि हाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ काम.
Yeah.
And even with the numbers thing I was saying, I had to sort of prove it to him कि हाँ ये लो अब numbers हैं, अब क्या करना है?
Right.
What do we do next now? Should we quit?
Huh.
Like you're a numbers guy. Here
Yeah,
are
yeah.
some numbers
What was
for
his
you.
reaction?
He was like, नहीं
That's
अब
good.
तो
Yeah,
करो
that's good.
करो
Nice.
जो करना है करो.
Tell me about your like तेरा जो upbringing था. Like I think that's where we also really connected as friends.
Yeah.
Like you really I think trusted people. Like the people that were around you, you
Yeah.
trusted them with your situation at home.
Yeah.
And I think that was, I felt like at what 5th grade, 6th grade, I got to know, and then I was like, wow, I just couldn't ignore that, you know,
Yeah.
that information. Ki
Yeah.
it was not like something I would hear and be like, हाँ चल ठीक है ऐसा
Yeah.
होता है.
And sometimes people would also like sort of look at me a bit differently ki why they would like insinuating that I'm oversharing, but I'd be like, you're my friend.
Yeah.
I'll go back home to my mother who is bedridden, and she was bedridden for like 16 years. So like I just thought कि अगर
Yeah.
तू मेरा दोस्त है तो फिर ये मैं तेरे को बता ही दूंगा bro, like
Yeah.
क्योंकि फिर क्या ही दोस्त है तू अगर मैं तुझे ये नहीं बता सकता कि मेरे घर पे मेरी क्या जिंदगी है, you know.
Yeah.
तो इसलिए I would tell my friends, and
You
because
remember
that's
that
just
feeling
what it
like
was.
when you were, I think you were telling earlier, like how I think you were saying you very starkly remember that feeling when
Of?
you were 5 or 6 and when you went to the hospital.
Oh yeah, I
and
do
then you
remember
just
that.
realized.
Yeah, that it
that-
was not looking good. All of a sudden, she was all right, but within a span of 2-3 weeks, like 1-2 weeks, I think she was not at home, and all of a sudden, I went to the hospital in Gangaram through a different passage where they wouldn't let kids in, but they just sort of let me in, and I saw her, and her complexion had changed, and she was just different, and I remember feeling very confused initially.
Yeah.
Like, what is this? Like, my brain.
Yeah.
I've had nephews who were 5, bro.
Yeah.
Didn't know shit about shit, which is all right.
Right.
You're not supposed to know that much either. But for me, it was just like, yo, this doesn't feel right at all. What is
Yeah.
this? Like,
So you remember that feeling?
I remember it vividly.
Do you
I
remember?
remember it like sort of
Were
photographic
you
hota na.
angry? Like.
No, I wasn't angry. Like I said, I was confused,
Yeah.
bit sad, sort of trying to understand, isolated a little bit कि ये क्या है,
हाँ.
ये तो मतलब there's no sort of familiarity of that for me.
Did you, like, I know 5-year-old is like, were you able to talk to somebody? Like, does anybody know?
Yeah, my sisters.
You were able, they were pretty old to you, right? They were very
8
old to
and
you.
11, yeah.
So were you able to talk to them, ki, this is how I'm feeling? Like, you know, like, this is so strange. I don't know, as a kid, you
पता
don't
नहीं मेरे
talk
को
about
ऐसे,
these things.
Yeah, I don't think.
It's not, I think
Yeah.
that's the problem of being a kid, right?
Yeah.
You can't process this.
Yeah.
This is the only thing you know. You don't have benchmarks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's something I remember. Like, I think when my mom passed away, then
Yeah.
I think you were the only person one of the only people I think I can imagine who was like, who understood and who didn't need to say a word. Who didn't need to say, "Arey bhai, matlab ठीक हो जाएगा," because you knew कि ये नहीं होने वाला ठीक. It's just you grow around it.
Cope,
That doesn't go.
Yeah.
That is like very core feeling, and
Yeah.
that's okay. Like, it's just what you're dealt with.
Yeah. I remember feeling guilty that I'm forgetting the memories, bro.
Yeah.
You know?
That's same. So one of my biggest fears is like I'm forgetting my mom's face.
Yeah.
I can see the pictures. Yes.
Yeah,
Now
but in your
it's-
head.
But you know, those pictures don't represent her in my head. So now I also, for me, the hardest part is that now I remember my mom as the sick one in the last moments when she was
Because
sick. That's what I
the
remember.
that's the
And that's
the
something I
trip.
hate.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I've seen her sick for so long.
Yeah.
Bro, I don't even have pictures.
Yeah.
You
I
know?
saw some pictures, but
वो पुरानी थी.
हाँ.
वो 5 साल के बाद उसके बाद 16 साल में क्या picture लूँ
Yeah,
when
yeah.
somebody is sick like that. She
Exactly.
was
So
not.
there's no
She didn't
memories.
feel like getting clicked.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all gone.
Yeah. So tell me, like, the first time you were actually writing, bro. Like, do you remember writing in school? Like, how old were you?
I don't know, bro. Probably in 8th standard, I wrote a lame English rap called Dope Gang, which was about our gang of people, friends, including you, Pritesh, etc. So yeah, Shubham, Prasanna, you know, all of that.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
तब लिखा था मैंने, but nothing substantial. फिर आगे जाके 10th, 11th में I started writing because sort of made this band, let's say, called Collided Dimensions, where Aradhana was the singer, Vaibhav Sahai was the bassist or the acoustic guitarist, and Christy would beatbox. And तो तब मैंने थोड़ा लिखना शुरू किया था, and those were like, I would take hooks of songs like Pardon Me by Incubus,
Yeah.
or like Gorillaz का कौन सा था, I ain't happy, I'm feeling sad, I got sunshine in a bag. Can't recall the name of the song. Future is coming on, yeah. So उन गानों पे ऐसे अलग-अलग गानों पे I would just have my own verse to it, but the hook would stay the same, and we would make like the rendition with beatbox and sort of acoustic guitar, and live करते थे हम. Just make a video, shoot a video of that, and put it on Facebook. Remember?
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So you would record it live.
Yeah, record live.
Acha.
No one going to the studio, bro. Studio was a
yeah.
dream.
Because it's expensive.
Bro, no, just like felt difficult.
Yeah.
उस वक्त it felt difficult. ये कैसे करते हैं? Like पहले जब actually interface के अंदर गिटार या बेस गिटार डाल के जब उसे रिकॉर्ड करके गाना बनाया था ना, I was like, wow, ये तो मेरा एक सपना पूरा हो गया अभी. Like,
And this was what, 2013?
yeah, I used to
हाँ.
sort of think about, oh, how nice would it be कि condenser mic पे गिटार acoustic record करेंगे. Something so simple to me right now. But at that time it was like very
Yeah.
a
It
very
just seemed
big
distant.
thing.
हाँ.
Yeah.
This was 2013.
Yeah.
Like right after school.
Yeah, around that time. फिर college में भी bro, there was some music society, but I didn't know about it. So this guy Tushar Parashar, bro, he used to beatbox and sort of had like, he used to play the trumpet with his like just beatboxing mouth and everything, and I was like, yo, that's so cool, bro. मैंने ही नहीं देखा. तो ऐसे ही वो senior था. एक दिन we were hanging out and I told him कि हाँ मैं भी rap करता हूँ. तो उसने ऐसे ही कुछ किया और मैंने अपना कुछ verse कर दिया उसके ऊपर, and he was like, you know what, you're in the music society now. I was like, okay, I guess I am. But फिर उधर भी वही रॉक वाला सीन चल रहा था ब्रो. बैंड्स होते थे रॉक वाले सारे के सारे. You know how the scene was. The club scenes were just like कौन सा रॉक बैंड है ये, Colossal Figures, Revisit, Revival, पता नहीं क्या कौन से होते थे.
I remember the four of us would just bully you almost into agreeing to
That
the
rock
fact
is
that
better.
that alternate rock is better than rap, and we would make you like constantly listen to Audioslave, and
Yeah.
we would not listen to any of
Yeah.
your music.
Yeah. And what would I say? I would be like, I like this.
Yeah.
But this is the shit too. So I was like inclusive tab bhi bhai, more than y'all, and y'all were just like purists, which is all right. That was just the scene.
Yeah.
So I'm not mad at anybody.
Bye, Eric.
What is that? ID card. हाँ, मेरे पास भी पड़े हैं घर पे. Let's go. That's that shit.
तेरे लिए लगा है.
हाँ, मैं हूँ ना. जंकी हूँ भाई मैं तो.
कैसा लग रहा है भाई?
पता नहीं bro, I'm just, I don't know कैसा लग रहा है. Holy shit. Hey yo, it's my trophy cabinet.
Yeah. 21, 22. हमारी सारी पीछे कर दी भाई ट्रॉफीज. हम बूढ़े हो गए.
course bro.
This looks good.
Yep.
So bro, tell me, it's been I've known you like over 20 years. Are you nervous recording this? Are you feeling nervous?
Not
That I'm
really.
the one who gets to interview you?
No, bro.
No?
No.
So tell me like about this. Speak English.
You know?
Tell me what you think about like what parts of you were shaped in this school. Like what do you think?
I think pretty much the core of just like my social skills, interacting with other people, like that. And
What about self-confidence?
yep,
Do you think?
self-confidence too. Yep, in terms of sport and everything, taking part. I remember Pritish and Aditya, they
Yeah.
started playing football, and I never used to play football. So
Uh-huh.
I saw them play well, and I was like, damn, I also want to do this. And
Yeah.
I remember buying a football and like spending hours and hours on YouTube checking freestyle videos. You
Yeah.
remember I used to
Yeah, yeah.
freestyle, right? So I used to go to the cyber cafe and like pay money to like watch because I didn't have internet.
the
at home.
footballers
Yeah,
and-
football, Believing Groove,
Yeah.
Jeremy Lynch, other people. So उन सब की वीडियोस पॉइंट इज कि स्पोर्ट मिला मेरे को स्कूल में ब्रो एंड या लाइक वी सेड लाइक स्पीक इन इंग्लिश सो लाइक दैट वाज सच अ बिग डील एट दैट पॉइंट कि इफ यू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश there was almost this idea that okay, this guy is smart because he speaks in English, which I obviously don't completely.
Agreed now.
Yeah.
But that time we did.
At
right?
that time we did because we
were
didn't know any
we
better.
couldn't speak English, and
Yeah.
if we saw somebody speak
Yeah.
English so well, they were
Yeah,
like, oh,
we're like, yeah, this guy is poised and he's really intelligent. English अच्छी आती तो intelligent है.
But it did also give you feeling कि जैसे हम आए school में we could not speak English, right?
Yeah.
But then we started speaking English like a second language.
Yeah.
Did that build a confidence in you कि भाई ये कर सकते हैं तो मतलब समझ रहा है इतना hostile environment को we can make it fun.
Yeah.
Then you know it makes, and I think that's the whole point of like
मैंने
hard
वो
trainings.
वो चीज़ कभी इतना डीपली नहीं सोचा था कि मैं इंग्लिश अभी बोल रहा हूँ तो ये मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस दे रही है कि नहीं. मेरे लिए तो कॉन्फिडेंस आई थिंक प्रीटी मच लेट आया था जब वो पूरा मेरा सीन हुआ था कुर्ते पजामे वाला.
Yeah.
और ये वो
But even
कि-
before that, I think it's not like कि तेरे में confidence नहीं
मतलब इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्कोरिंग वेल
Yeah.
वाला कॉन्फिडेंस मेरे को लिटरली 12th में आया था ब्रो. उससे पहले मैंने पढ़ाई नहीं करी थी ढंग से तो आई यूज्ड टू एक्चुअली थिंक एंड बिलीव कि मैं तो कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा क्योंकि मैं तो
Yeah.
कभी किया ही नहीं. थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ लिया 50-55 नंबर आ गए नेक्स्ट क्लास में जाओ.
Yeah.
I just believed कि I can't do that. But last के 2-3 हफ्ते when I put in that effort in 12th, that's what
Yeah.
made me realize कि oh, अभी तूने 2-3 हफ्ते ढंग से पढ़ा एक ट्यूटर होम ट्यूटर लगवा के वो भी उस बंदे का होम ट्यूटर जो कि खुद फेल हो रखा है बट beggars can't be choosers right लास्ट के 3 हफ्ते में.
Right.
So that made me feel like oh so if you really put your mind to something and really lock in then
Yeah.
you can achieve something. So that gave me confidence at a very good time when I was getting into college.
अच्छा.
Yeah. So in terms of not just academics but दिमाग
Yeah.
लगाएगा तो हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
चीज़ें जो तू हमेशा सोचता था नहीं होंगी.
Tell me, bro, like the school, I feel that Mount Carmel has a personality.
Yeah.
Right? The school itself.
Yeah.
And what you said about your upbringing, like your, let's say, the difficult childhood you had and the unstructured, like unconventional rather.
Yeah.
So the structure in school gave you something like to fit in better. Was that like helping you out? Or like I'm just wondering, like the structure in school and the rigidness of the school. They go like, how did it shape you mentally?
Bro, I mean, sure it did give me discipline as well, but a lot of times, like I said, when I was a little too opinionated for the school, which was all right.
Upar?
Yeah. So, just that, man. Like,
Do you think it made you more rebellious as a person? Like putting more and more strict structure on you?
I mean, I don't know. Do you think I was that rebellious growing up? What would you
I
say?
think internally you were always rebellious, as in is not rebellious in the sense just for the sake of rebellion.
Yeah.
But if you didn't understand something, you would not back down till you understood it.
Yeah.
So in that sense, it's not really a
So
bad
that's
thing.
perseverance or something.
Exactly, and you would want to understand. So I think, but isn't your rap also like almost like a rebellion?
Yeah, it's a form of that, but it's also expression. It doesn't have to be rebellion all the time.
Huh.
Yeah. Because, like, what am I
Do you,
Really?
do you still feel like Joe? We were talking about the anger
Yeah.
that you were talking about later on in school.
Yeah.
Do you still feel that anger?
No, not really, bro.
You think it's age, or is it just what you've achieved?
I think it's age, it's maturity. Like I don't feel like I feel as angry as I did as a teenager, for sure.
Yeah, I think.
So like I can manage my emotions better and have a tighter grip on them.
Yeah.
At the time I got into like some things that not everybody was doing also. So in terms of like smoking and
Yeah.
other stuff related
Yeah.
to that, I started at a very young age.
And that
So-
was influence, right?
That was the influence. I had some
Yeah.
seniors who
Right.
sort of,
Introduce you to it.
yeah. Actually, no, the seniors didn't introduce me to it. It was our batch kids only that
Yeah.
introduced me. But then once they left the school because they were kicked out, I was hanging out with some of them. And that was seen as such a like taboo at the time.
Yeah.
Ki, oh, you do this. Like at this time, it's way more normal, right?
Yeah.
Like,
पीछे dip है.
ek aur. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, man, just all of that. How did it shape you? The
I
school?
think a lot. Similar feelings that I thought that if I put my mind to it, I think this is where I realized. If I put my mind to something,
Yeah,
there's almost nothing that I can't go after.
yeah,
It definitely felt like that.
yeah.
And I also realized how hard it was to get there. Like it was not an easy journey. Tell me something, I was coming to this point. Do you think there's something implicit जो तूने सीखा है स्कूल में? Because I think तूने ये चीज़ सीखी I don't know if you've ever thought of it that way. कि even in rebellion, even in those severe punishments, जो भी तेरा रैपो था स्कूल के साथ, really struggling, right?
Yeah,
There was still love.
yeah.
Did you ever think of it that way? Ki there was love in those teachers. In all that mess, in all that chaos, you were able to find certain corners, like maybe some friends, right? Or maybe a few, very few teachers who would
course
see
there
beyond
were.
you.
Yeah.
And that just gives you resilience as a person, right? That gives you more hope as a person. Ki no matter where the life is chaotic and how struggling things get, there's always avenues of love and respect and growth.
Yeah, definitely. I'm not going to be like, yeah, all of it was just bad and negative. Of course, there were some people who genuinely seemed like they cared and, like I said, scratched beneath the surface. But I feel like for some people, it was an ego thing. Ki, nahi, we need to show this guy that he's just wrong.
Yeah.
And his ways are not right and he needs to be corrected. So, not all the time.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know, man. There was
Yeah.
some stuff like I told you about the struggles I had with my mother.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
all of a sudden everybody knows, and I remember
You did not consent to
yeah,
that.
yeah, and there was like other people who you know how kids are. Kids
Yeah,
can be
yeah.
mean. So like
Yeah,
there were
yeah.
some other kids who started making fun of that illness.
Yeah.
So that definitely is like something that I remember because that sticks with you. That stays with
and
you.
that triggers you too, right? Like
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
you lose trust. I did not have those situations where I had to confide, and I think I learned that through examples like yours. Ki never confide in these things,
Yeah.
which are very, very core to you
Yeah.
outside. But I think that is such a blow to trust. There's two concepts in physics: reflection and refraction.
Yeah.
So sir बोलते थे refraction.
Yeah.
मेरे को कहते
पता नहीं
हैं
लगता था
बेटा
कौन सा क्या है।
कहते बेटा रिफ्रैक्शन और रिफ्रैक्शन में फर्क बताओ तो सर ये तो सेम ही चीज़ है सर आप सेम ही चीज़ बोल रहे हो फिर वो सर लिखने बैठेंगे सो जस्ट बिकेम अ जोक कि सर हर बार रिपीट करा रहे हैं ये चीज़
Ma'am, you remember me?
No, I wouldn't because you're not a
Ma'am.
very famous personality.
Ma'am.
Are you?
ट्रम्पेट्स
How
बजे
are you? How are you? So glad to see you.
ऐसे आरती वारती होनी चाहिए मैम
Yeah.
आई फील लाइक
Yeah.
ट्रम्पेट्स बज रहे हैं
Yeah. It's been so long. I tried to find you on
Big
Instagram
man.
or मिला ही नहीं. And
Hannah,
on Facebook पे
but
भी
you're
I was
all
like,
over.
या
oh,
For un-
I'm trying.
It's so good to
I'm
see.
या
I'm doing whatever I can. How are you?
Doing whatever you can.
Yeah.
Do you have any idea how they would mob you if you were on a regular day?
Really?
Am I getting old or?
No, we don't know if school kids listen or this school kids listen.
Yeah.
Really? You're that unaware?
It's good that we came today.
Yeah. I mean, they must. मेरे को तो these kids, I don't think they know me.
Excuse me.
You know, but they were asking me, what do you do on your YouTube channel? What
Who
vlog
asked
are you
you?
making? Some video around.
Ma'am class leaving.
अरे कोई नहीं.
You guys have serious fans here, huh? You have no idea. You have no idea
Yeah, I
that
don't think he knows.
you know, when I tell them about him, they're like, "You're kidding. You're making this up."
They don't know he's from Hong Kong.
Yeah. So I said, "No, I do know him."
You better we click
So
a
they
picture
said,
and then
so they
I'll
said
take
how
a video
well.
so that you say
So they said how well. I said too well.
What well?
I said how well do you know him?
Yeah. Oh yeah. She was like the
Yeah,
saving
yeah.
grace for me.
Yeah.
No pun
Too
intended.
well. Yeah. You know what I remember most about him is white kurta.
Oh
Yeah.
Yeah,
oh,
that.
because they were thrown out of the school.
No,
Yeah.
no, because you know what was meant to be punitive,
Yeah,
they made a fashion statement.
Yeah.
I know.
And that's typical
And they
Rahul.
walked around in that with so much swag
Batao.
that they said we all want to be punished like this.
And we'll do it like that only.
yeah.
Just somebody posting a picture of me having beer in the school uniform. Oh my god.
How far we've come from that.
Yeah.
Huh?
Post graduation, I studied
Yeah.
quite a lot. Undergraduation
Yeah,
was chill. Didn't have any issues.
You're very focused. Like he's actually one of the hardest working people. Really?
That I can figure.
Yeah.
That I can figure.
Really? I don't know, bro. I try.
It's so
Yeah,
damn
so-
good to see you guys.
Yeah. No, that's the first name he said when he entered. He's like Grace man. Grace
Man,
man
it was
guy.
really hard for me. She really helped me a lot.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
I'm.
We were
I
talking
might get
about.
emotional right now. Like for
It's
real.
okay.
Yeah.
But we were talking about this. Like one
So
of
when
my,
I look
one,
at
one of my questions to him was like, you know, in this school he's had one of the toughest, from my perspective, one of the toughest upbringings in this school. So for him to find love in such a hard place, like did it make it more
I never
resilient?
loved him. I was just in disbelief most of the time.
No, I think there was love.
I'm like, how do you pull off this nonsense? Like, how?
My God, I was almost believing that hug was real. Oh my God, everything.
That's
is,
Grace Ma'am 101.
everything's an illusion.
That's Grace Ma'am 101.
Welcome to my mind. Everything is an illusion. Have you heard my music by any chance?
Hannah?
आप क्या?
How likely?
Why
How
will you
likely?
listen to rap music all of a sudden?
Now you're stereotyping.
I mean, come on. I wouldn't think that you would listen to like Hindi rap.
तो
Just
अपना बच्चा कुछ कर रहा है and I wouldn't bother, है ना?
अरे नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है.
इतने heartless हैं, ठीक है, heartless हैं, but इतना नहीं.
अब
I
एक
think
बात
this-
बता दो, मतलब are you happy to see me or not?
Of course.
वो
she's
सही में
happy,
समझ
bro.
नहीं आ रहा
She's
भाई.
very happy.
So
I'm
happy.
like-
I'm so
तू
proud
पागल
of
है
you.
क्या?
मुझे नहीं समझ में आता.
I've often
This is
wondered how
obvious.
you're doing.
Yeah.
She's been all like.
पक्का बोल रहे हो ना?
इतनी तो बस.
पता नहीं लेकिन आप बोल रहे हो साफ
We'll
भी
talk
हो.
over. We'll talk
Yeah.
over
Yeah.
at home
Exactly.
over a meal.
Yeah,
Yeah. You
that
should
would be
invite
nice.
her. You
Yep.
design apna ghar. This is beautiful. You'd be so proud.
Really?
Yeah. Why didn't you try rapping, writing, performing in school? They didn't allow you.
Yeah, I mean जब भी मैं करता था तो it was not really like कि हाँ कुछ सही किया है.
Yeah.
It was not taken seriously कि हाँ चलो ठीक है एंजल का रैप कर दो थोड़ा सा ना
Yeah.
कि हाँ
Just the basic stuff.
10 बंदे एंजल का रैप ही कर रहे हैं, हर बंदा एंजल का रैप करेगा, शैगी का एंजल का.
Oh, right.
That does the job. So you know just shit like that.
But football was your thing, right here.
I mean yeah, I had
You would
fun
stay
with,
on the court. You would stay and play.
yeah like
whole day.
what TT was for you, football was for me.
Yeah. You would just stay outdoors,
Yeah.
play all day, sweat all day. Not even come to school, right?
Yeah.
You won't even come inside the premises.
I mean I wouldn't come for the assembly.
yeah.
बाद में तो ऑफ कोर्स आई वुड. जब किया था तब यहाँ पे बार्ब वायर्स नहीं थी.
हाँ.
वो बार्ब वायर्स किसी ने देख लिया था कि मैं टापा हूँ, उसके बाद लगवाई थी ब्रो. एक ही बार टापा था मैं वैसे.
Yeah, I mean, I think for me the favorite memories were जब tournament होता था ना, हम सारा दिन sports room में रहते थे. We would bring our bag there and leave from that room. You had like unlimited access to just be in the sports room.
Yeah bro. Oh, I feel you.
You used to freestyle a lot too, right?
Yeah.
Don't anymore.
I mean, not as much, bro. I just play the game.
Yeah.
We can try hitting the crossbar from the mid.
इधर से.
No, udhar se.
Ooh. Done.
It's not bad, bro. Second time. Ball का भी थोड़ा. कौन बोला राहुल? Not bad, not bad. Nah, not really. Crossbar challenge. जब आती है ना तब आता है मजा.
Oh yeah. Meet Amber. She is today acting as Pixar lamp.
Yeah.
तुझे कितना टाइम हो गया ये डिज़ाइन करे हुए? Like since when you started this project?
Bro, I think ये 2-2.5 साल लगे थे मेरे को ये करने के लिए. And I've been here for 2.5 years.
So 5 years ago.
4 years.
COVID.
Yeah. COVID खत्म हो रहा था.
COVID खत्म हो
Yeah, then at that time.
So it took you 2.5 years?
2.5 years because of COVID tha, and then we were all getting back to the rhythm of things.
Yeah.
So things weren't that. But like वो भी होता है कि दिवाली के टाइम पे pollution की वजह से
हाँ.
construction रुक जाती है and stuff like that.
तेरा idea क्या था इससे? Like to have this open kind of a canvas इतना बड़ा. It
Double
looks
height.
amazing to me.
I was like, अभी I have to fill this up with some artwork. So
So
like
यहाँ पे?
Yeah, like यहाँ पे अलग-अलग जगह पे वहाँ पे. But I told you कि I was like I'm not gonna go one day and get artwork
Yeah,
from the
yeah,
house. I was like I'm gonna travel and organically if I pick up on something एक-एक करके jigsaw like भरते रहूँगा. So that's the and just like this it was a double height space. So I always liked the normal brick wall का एक texture.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a portrait that Sasta Acid
Yeah,
made
yeah.
of my mum.
Oh.
बहुत सुंदर.
वो काफी.
तो वो I want her
Yeah.
to be right here in the middle.
Nice.
दरवाजा खोलते ही. And something over here is also something really cool, एकदम tailor made for this space, लंबा
Yeah.
सा. Like right here. Come
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
This thing right here. जो ये है. That is something
Like
that I
a
want to do.
vertical format.
Like a vertical format, tailor made इसके हिसाब से. So that's the idea. This I picked up at somebody's parking lot.
Yeah.
It was just kept there. So I was like,
Yeah.
yeah. Then I was like, इस angle भी अच्छा लगेगा with the.
Yeah. ऊपर चले? You wanna
Yeah,
go up?
yeah.
Crazy bro. So this, when you were designing this, तेरा ये center, मतलब that was your main attention. Is this how you built the whole around? Did you build it?
Yeah. I was so when I was designing this was not supposed to be my house. So like this was another project that I was doing. जैसे नीचे के 2 फ्लोर थे, वो भी ये भी वैसे ही बनाना था हमें.
हाँ.
But we got to know, we decided in due time, in सही time पे,
Yeah.
कि we're gonna make a duplex out of this.
Yeah.
तो इसलिए हमने वो पूरा empty वो ऐसा double height space कर लिया.
नहीं भाई लगता है ना तू फिरंग बच्चा लगा. I can't
हाँ,
tell.
इसमें तो लगता हूँ bro.
इस फैमिली का भी है.
What happened, bro? I asked myself what happened.
So it's actually your dad's.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yep.
I see
Yeah.
first time their dad का
Yeah.
पुराना picture.
Yeah.
We have a table.
Yeah.
Nice.
Mid-sized TT table.
Representing ping pong.
Yeah. Which obviously this
Oh
one.
nice. ये काफी सही है. I
Yeah.
think शेरदिल.
Yeah.
This will go on the wall.
This will go on the wall. Shout out to
Nice.
Cloud Botany for this. And this one, this he gave me at a show like years back.
Yeah.
So yeah. So this is a real one for this.
This is where music came out, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Acoustic paneling.
Yeah.
उसके बिना तो couldn't even listen to music properly over here without the acoustic paneling because there's no furniture over here. In the old house, like कमरे में I could record without the panels because there was so much furniture, bed, wardrobe, like more furniture.
I love this.
ये मिटता ही नहीं है
We
bro.
were trying to हम मिटाने की कोशिश करते शेरदिल के सारे tracks.
Yeah.
And it didn't work.
I need like a scrub or something to do it.
So cool.
That's Kam's guitar. That is Sez ka bass guitar. Yeah.
So cool.
Yep.
चला जा फिर बैठते हैं. Let's start.
Yep.
आ गया भाई, ट्रांजिशन हो गया यहाँ पे।
Yes.
कपड़े भी बदल गए अपने।
Yeah. White.
So I heard you say on Krishna's episode that you feel that your best music is not out yet.
Yeah.
Do you think logically कभी आ सकता है ऐसा moment कि तेरी life में तुझे लगता है कि the best music is out now, this is my best music?
I think that is a question that I would answer looking back when it's all said and done.
Yeah.
That's not an answer that I can give you right now.
But do you think you would know?
I think it can happen.
अच्छा.
I know some artists who believe कि हाँ this was my favorite song. It's a belief thing. It's an
Right.
opinionated thing. I
So-
mean, it's hard to make it objective. It's a song.
But knowing you as you are,
Yeah.
you're always like, driven to the next thing.
Yeah.
I think I'm also trying to break down your creative thinking in that sense कि, when you have an idea, we spoke about it the other day कि idea आया, that's super exciting, right? तू लोगों को call कर रहा है कि भाई ये तो बहुत सही बन गया.
Yeah.
But then you go through cycles of that, right?
Yeah.
Like mix master कर रहा है, release कर रहा है, फिर
Yeah.
perform कर रहा है.
Yeah.
Do you think there will be ever moment कि ऐसा कोई गाना जो तू you still feel कि this was my best work? That's what I'm trying to understand. It's not so much.
I think it's a ideology sort of thing
हाँ.
for me. It's a mind state. कि oh, I got to make my favorite song. Like it's not there yet. अगर if I start thinking
Exactly.
कि oh yeah, my best work is behind me.
Yeah.
So then it becomes like kind of futile, just the whole sort of point of it all. Like I like to believe, and I do believe that the best is yet to come. Have I objectively, factually, whatever you want to call it, made my favorite song or my best work? Wo I think I might be able to answer looking back when I'm old,
Yeah, yeah.
really old, and then I'm thinking, then I might be able to, because there's
That's
some
like
people,
something retro,
Yeah.
like एकदम late जाके will be like हाँ, this
then I'll
was
be
my
like,
greatest
हाँ
work.
ये किया मैंने, ये किया,
But
ये
it will never be like in this moment कि तूने कुछ release करने like this is my best music, because you're always looking forward to something.
No, I mean it could be the best music for the time. It could be, but then again, it's another chase. Na, फिर कुछ दिन हो गए.
Yeah,
What are you gonna do with that best thing?
Exactly.
Like it's been a week. What are you gonna do?
Exactly.
To
Yeah.
like chase it again, right?
Right.
It's the same thing. It's the same sort of rabbit
Yeah,
hole.
yeah. That's crazy. Tell me what your creative process is like. Tell me, like समझा मुझे, like if you want to take an example, but tell me either from writing. Do you always start with writing?
No, rarely. I rarely start with writing. Mostly it's a piece of music that inspires me to write. So whenever I'm in a very good creative lyrical zone, I'm typing in my phone, and if I'm having conversations with anybody,
Yeah.
I'm always writing these little one-liners, two-liners. I don't need a beat for that. It's just like, yeah, like there's like a couple of folders that I have.
Yeah.
One is for it's as simple as hard and soft. That's the big two different like sort of umbrella terms. Or uske niche फिर there's a lot of genres, but it's like
Right.
some of them is just like hard stuff, bars, and some of them is
Yeah.
just like emotional stuff. And वो दो folder रहते हैं मेरे को, and I don't need like, but those are one-liners, two-liners. I can like build a whole idea or a song off of that. That's how Bombay Sapphire happened.
So those liners are like those core emotions you're capturing.
It's like something just came to my head, so I
Yeah.
have to pause everything, write, and I have that folder for every year. So 25 की lines,
Yeah.
24 की वो lines, hard, soft. तो it's like कुछ भी ऐसा दिमाग में आया है तो मैंने लिख लिया.
Right.
किसी से कुछ बात हुई. I was stuck in traffic and I wrote.
Yeah.
Clearly remember having the urge to write दिल्ली का लड़का पर पीता मैं Bombay Sapphire. Stuck in traffic एकदम से. I just was like okay, and then once we were in the studio and on a rainy day when we couldn't think of anything, I opened that and we just expanded on that one line and made the song Bombay.
So that line you wrote some time else.
Yeah.
It was just archived,
Yeah.
and then came another
It's
day
for-
studio में
it's
जब तू.
for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So talk to me about this zone lock-in, like that you. Is that something you can do it
Control.
on purpose? How often does that work? And also, like, how does that feel when you're trying to zone in and it's not working?
I think that generally also happens when there needs to be some sort of change in lifestyle. or anything, because mostly when I'm disciplined and I'm working hard and completely doing all the things that I'm supposed to, then that I feel like is easier to achieve. Like it's not super in my control all the time either. But yeah,
Do you get annoyed? Do you get frustrated? When that is not happening, like what is your
no, I mean it's not even about being frustrated. Like I honestly, very rarely does that happen ki I am writing a song and it's not like I can't write a song. It's mostly like the wanting to write, the
Yeah.
wanting of, or the feeling कि I feel like writing, I feel like creating. तो अगर वो नहीं आएगा and I still write, then it feels like there's some sort of a mismatch उधर. So it's like I know if I'm gonna sit, I can write. कि हाँ, even if I'm not feeling it, I can write. I've written enough songs for me to like not be able to do that. So yeah.
and these jam sessions that you would have is basically you would have people um, like you hey Amber, welcome. You wanna sit?
Yep.
So I think like the jam sessions you would have is you would have people like producers come in. What does that moment feel like? Like is it hours when you're listening to the track and you're writing there and then? Or again you're going through the archives, figuring something out and then
Both.
both?
So it's also like sometimes I hear a beat and I go
Yeah.
through the archives and I'm like, is something matching? Sometimes the beat is such that I don't even need to go to the archives. I just have something. And then while writing, I'm like, oh, feel like I'm a little bit stuck here.
Yeah.
So let me go get a couple of lines from my line bank.
Yeah.
So yeah. So that's how I go about it.
Talk to me about the emotional space. So
Yeah.
like we were talking earlier in the morning about general like insecurities and instability in relationship. Do you think that fuels your creative process? Is that feeling standing out from, I know we were talking about also like everything adds up to where you are, right? So
Yeah.
I'm just asking, is there a disproportionate contribution by the insecurities or fears or like that more on the negative side of things to write lyrics?
Not necessarily, bro. I feel like that line in Rockstar कि वो टूटे दिल है तो ही लिखा जाता है गाना. Like that could be true on a certain level, but I feel like what I've learned is कि you need to have a certain level of happiness and like calm. You need to have
Yeah.
your zen in place. एक bare minimum amount
Right.
for you to be wanting to function and like doing all of that, because if you don't have that will, then it's hard to work. So that's what I figured.
But you've been able to push through those feelings,
uh,
right? Like when you,
yeah,
Right?
I have, but not every day.
yeah.
It's a process, and
Yeah, yeah.
you know us as human beings, we
Yeah.
take our time to process things and then we get better. So point being that
Yeah.
if I feel better, I might be able to make a song which I'm at a better chance of making a better song, a song which would make people jump
Yeah.
in a crowd
Right.
when I'm in a happier state,
Right.
you know?
Yeah.
Like if I'm like, everything sucks, bro.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't feel it right now. And ekdam say like, that probably has happened and could happen, but it's not as likely.
Right.
Just like, so in order for me to do that, I feel like I need that. And yeah, for me, like I said, the music is the thing
Yeah.
that like fuels me and helps me write and inspires me. And even in terms of music, what sort of music do I like? Ever since I've started production now, I think I'm getting deeper and deeper into like reverse engineering stuff and being like, oh, this is what I like in this song. This is what I like.
Yeah.
And like I've already been listening to music in layers now. So like,
Are you paying attention to outside of music? Like the whole media of music?
Yeah.
Are you going and taking... Do you feel like there have been moments where you felt inspired from something visual or, you know, something
in society, like you're walking around.
Yeah.
It doesn't everything?
Yeah, I mean, I was inspired by my room,
Yeah.
like Pew Pew, the song.
Yeah.
So we had the idea, the concept for the video before we had the song. Because I was like, I was fed up of building homes and renovating homes for other people, and then coming back to my room, which has like this pink and purple niche on the wall, which is just really not resonating with me. And like, you know, and samne there's this pink mural of like some Cinderella looking person.
Yeah.
Like, it's just like, what
It's
is
just not you.
Yeah, it's not me.
Yeah.
So like, what is going on? So I was like, okay, I need a big poster to like उसे छुपाने के लिए, and
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go crazy and like do graffiti and like sort of have a
Yeah.
pseudo
Yeah.
manic episode. Because I remember waking up to that the first time. Like कर तो मैंने दिया.
Yeah.
And I woke up to it. And the feeling that I got was really weird. I was like, yo, what is this? I feel so different waking up today with all of this around me, all this graffiti. For some reason, it just felt really different. So it was like a shift. So I was like, oh, maybe a fisheye lens over here would work. So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
called Anurag, who also shot the video. I was like, yeah, let's do a little photo shoot, bro. Because I'd bought वो
Right.
iPhone वाला छोटा clip-on वाला
Yeah, yeah,
fisheye
fisheye.
lens. तो उससे we clicked a couple of pictures and I was like, wow, this looks
Yeah.
interesting. Maybe I should shoot a video here. But I was like, yeah, in the album, there's no song which would match the energy. So I was like, yeah, you know what? I have the video, I have the visuals in place. Now I just have to make the song.
So this is again the same zone, right? You're talking about. It's just like what if, right?
Yeah.
It just leads you to a place that you can't even trace back.
Yeah.
कि शुरू कहाँ से हुआ?
Yeah.
Because there's just so many layers
Yeah.
on top.
Yeah.
That's pretty beautiful.
Yeah.
Talk to me about like the numbers versus creative expression deal, in the sense that how do you, because I know you're a pretty rational person, like you're always very intuitively taking feedback, ki, does it work, does it not work, but also a creative expression requires you to, you know, go all in a way of making yourself out there. It
Trusting
could be
your gut, your instinct.
yeah, so I'm wondering, like, what do you see, like, you know, like, do you really care about what people think?
Definitely.
If they do, then how does it shape your, like, pushing the boundaries, like, creatively?
I definitely care about what people think. Otherwise, I would just be making music for myself and listen to it and just be happy on my own. So it gives me
Yeah.
a lot of joy when I see people appreciating what I made, if they're living with it, and if whatever emotion the song is, if they're living with it, that means a great deal to me. So I think it's just the balance. It's like what Rick Rubin said, ki I don't start a song or make a song thinking ki, oh, this is what's going on right now, or this is what my audience would like or my listeners would like. No, I don't go in with that very conscious thought. My thought is, hey, you, listen. You have been listening to music for so long. You have your taste level that you've curated over the years. And you do have a level ki haan, ऐसा इस level का गाना बनना चाहिए. So the main thing for me is just like making sure that I am sort of able to satisfy myself and excite me when I'm making the music. कि मेरे को मजा आए कि yo, you know, like sometimes it's been like I can't separate myself from the song.
Yeah.
Like I am, even if I'm sometimes it's like I made something so good that even when I'm going out
Yeah.
to like heat up food,
Yeah.
like I
And
need
you're
it in my
listening to
ears, and this is the studio door is going to be open because I need to be.
Right.
And then when I'm eating food, like
Yeah.
over here, I'm listening to it, and then before I'm sleeping, I'm still listening to it, and then I wake up and the first thing I do is listen to it. That's the best feeling, by the way.
Yeah.
It's not like I'm not a self-obsessed person. It's not like I make a song and
But
that.
you're just vibing with it,
Yeah,
right?
it's not like I
it's
make a song and each time I feel that.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
a special feeling that comes in rarity.
Yeah.
But don't get it twisted. Like just because my whole agenda is ki haan, I should have fun and I should
Yeah.
make. That doesn't mean I don't care about the audience. I care very much about the audience. But what I've come to realize is if I make something true to myself,
Yes.
that is something that they will resonate with more.
Right.
Rather than coming up with a formula ki, oh, yeah. I mean, formula is also good to a certain level. I'm not going to say ki formula is like, so everybody's like, oh, he has the formula.
Switching gears, like talk to me about
your side hustles. I mean, I don't think they're side hustles really. Like you're
Okay.
having a fully working like interior design
Yeah.
practice right on the
Yeah.
side. And
Yeah.
do you? I was just thinking about like, do you think it makes you more anti-fragile in the rap industry because it's in a way also a survival game, right?
Yeah.
Like if you're not able to
Sustain yourself.
sustain yourself over 3 or 4 years,
Yeah.
like you, let's say you make something viral, which
Yeah.
is also like, you know,
Yeah.
not that easy, but
Yeah.
how do you sustain if you're not able to churn money out of it, if you're not able to get a living out of it, then you're out of the game.
Yeah.
Right? Just because it's also a survival game is what I mean, not just virality,
Yeah.
but the survival as well. Do you think that gives you, so the question is basically two faceted, right? Like one is, do you think it gives you an advantage of having that on the side? And secondly, do you think it prevents you from going all in?
Yeah, there's
That
pros
balance.
yes and no, pros and cons to it. I feel like it makes me a bit more multifaceted as an artist. I can do the other side of things, and I feel like
Yeah.
my people skills got so much better. Like
Yeah.
at this point, I don't think it's setting me back. I don't think interior
Right.
design sets me back anymore.
Yeah.
Because it's been 8 years now.
Yeah,
How can it set me back? It's sort
Right.
of at autopilot now.
Exactly.
Like how to build a home is something I know.
Yeah.
And I have a team in place who make sure that like we get the job done right and we keep up with the new trends as well.
Right.
So like कुछ नया आ रहा है market में, we are privy to that.
Yeah, yeah.
And after a long time, bro, I thought of investing in a site supervisor.
Yeah.
क्योंकि पहले मैं खुद ही site पे जाके सब कुछ कराता
Yeah,
था,
yeah.
and
Now
that
you
used
just
to be
automate it.
yeah. Then I got really frustrated, bro. Then
Yeah.
I got angry. I started getting really angry. कि मतलब क्या करूँ मैं?
Yeah, yeah.
यहाँ पे सबसे ये समझाऊँ इन्हें, नक्शा बनवाऊँ, फिर उसके बाद सारा सामान खरीदूँ, फिर जाके उन्हें समझाऊँ भी, फिर घर आके गाना भी बनाऊँ, किस पे
Yeah,
बनाऊँ
yeah,
मैं?
yeah.
मतलब I used to wonder किस पे बनाऊँ मैं?
Yeah.
आज क्या मैं ईंटों पे गाना बनाऊँ? You know, like just
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
being
Just
frustrated.
what's the stimulation,
yeah,
right? Like,
yeah.
exactly.
Like I'm हथौड़े पे गाना, like what should I do? But later on in life, now I've been able to sort of put it
Yeah.
on autopilot because whatever goes into a house is something that I'm privy to.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bro, tell me about this. I think we've spoken about it, alluded to it earlier on as well, on you being very effective with money. And that's something I have to say, like, you know, unapologetically that from all my friend circles, you're the most resourceful when it comes to getting things done in the most effective, which is like, you know, there is quality. There is it's not like you're compromising on quality to get stuff because that's easy. So talk to me about this value that you have on अगर ये चीज़ 50 में हो सकती है then this dopamine hit,
Yeah.
right? In a way कि मैंने 30 में कर दी.
Yeah, I'm a sucker
But
for a
you
good
but you
deal.
come from a well-off family, right? I think
Yeah.
like comparatively, I mean,
Yeah.
you know, like we're all from similar backgrounds,
Yeah.
but I do think you come off from a good family. Like you know, you're
So yeah, I mean, like I told you, like growing up, I wouldn't say we were well off, but we had like शुरुआत में तो you know how it was for
Yeah, yeah.
most of our parents. Like पहले एक स्कूटर था सिर्फ बजाज का.
तो सोचा था
फिर उसके
बीच
बाद
में
second
पैरों के बीच में बैठता था. I used to
हाँ,
say.
वही पैरों के बीच में तो समझ
Like
रहे हैं ना
easy,
फिर
yeah, yeah,
वही. फिर लाइक 2 बहनें और मैं लाइक तीनों एक ही बिस्तर
Yeah.
पे, तो मतलब वेल ऑफ उस टाइम पे मेरे को सूट नहीं करे, बट ऑब्वियसली इज रिलेटिव फॉर समबडी
Right.
एल्स. श्योर, व्हाई नॉट? तो या बट द पॉइंट वाज कि इंस्टिल्ड अ लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू फॉर मनी इन मी. कि बीच में ना जब मैंने अपना कोर्स किया था उसके बाद मेरे को जॉब वॉब मिल रही थी. एक मैंने 2-3 इंटरव्यू दिए थे जॉब्स के, और मेरे को एक जॉब मिल गई थी जिसमें मेरे को पता क्या करना था भाई. मतलब लाइक ब्रो मेरे को विंडोज़ बनानी थी ब्रो. 5-स्टार होटल्स के लिए विंडो डिज़ाइन, इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन में मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ हर चीज़. सीलिंग, आरसीपी कैसे बनानी है, फ्लोर प्लान, इलेक्ट्रिकल, ये वो. आई वाज लाइक, और मेरे को दे भी सही रहे थे वो उस टाइम के लिए ना. बट आई वाज लाइक भाई इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन का कोर्स करके विंडो डिज़ाइनर तो नहीं बनने वाला ना. लाइक मतलब पूरा दिन बैठ के यहाँ पे 5-स्टार होटल्स की विंडो डिज़ाइन करो. तो आई वाज लाइक वो मैंने नहीं किया. फिर उसके बाद फिर लाइक अभी भी मैं मतलब अभी थोड़े दिन पहले आई वेंट टू दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड कोजी बॉक्स इन बिकाजी कामा प्लेस, एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक क्या है ब्रो ये? What is this? You're charging like $1,200 for a shot of gin, and that 30 ml drink is diluted as fuck, and it tastes like fucking juice to me. वो भी मैं तुम्हें बोल के मतलब like समझ रहे हो like what are you doing like how is this fun
Who do you think is the most business savvy rapper in India?
it's probably Divine, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, for sure.
tells, right? The results
For
also
sure.
tell.
For sure, Divine.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's pretty smart,
Yeah,
and I feel like he's got a team of like people around him.
same what you were saying, like connected.
Yeah.
Like he knows where.
Yeah. So he has a whole team of people
Yeah.
around him who are very good at their job, and like he lets them do their thing, and then he comes up with his whole thing.
How much is rap like this music industry?
Yeah.
Not I would not say music industry
Yeah.
because that's way too broad
Yeah.
of a term. But
Yeah.
let's talk about rap.
Yeah.
How much of that is a team sport?
I think it's a team sport for real, man. I think for anything to be successful, collaboration is key, and you need to surround yourself with people who are gonna bring the best out of you. But once you take those people who do the dirty work for you, and you're the one in charge of
that.
everything, that's when the burden starts showing.
Yeah.
So it's definitely a team sport, bro, and you need a good team around you, which is key. And
Yeah.
but you got to work hard for it also. You got to give them something to believe in. You can't just
Right.
keep expecting ki हाँ भाई you should do this for me.
Right.
But yeah, there should be a basic level of like understanding and commitment
Yeah.
towards the artist though.
Is
You
that
might
where
think,
is that where a label comes in?
sure,
think?
why not? Yeah, a label can provide you with a lot of resources.
And what's your thoughts now? Like I know how they have transformed over the time, but could you talk to me like how that has changed? Like what was your initial opinion? How has it transformed? Where are you now with this whole concept of
Labels.
yes.
I feel like labels have also transitioned with the times that we're in, and I feel like they're more flexible now, which I really appreciate, because back in the day they probably could be a bit more rigid because they controlled a lot, had a lot of control. Like distribution is such a key thing.
Yeah.
Ekdam se it's a game changer that you
Yeah.
can upload stuff on your like laptop now. So stuff like that definitely. But now the way that some of them are transitioning, and like some of them, it's always also about leverage. Okay, how much do you bring to the table?
Right.
So that's how you negotiate what's really
Right.
good for you. But yeah, the creative freedom, sometimes staying with the artist fully
Yeah.
and having that trust. So those things are really cool.
How much
So-
of it is an identity thing of my label se attached nahi? Like is that true anymore?
No, not really.
Does your audience care if you're signed up with a label?
No,
Yeah,
no.
got it. So you're at a pretty neutral stance.
I'm at a neutral stance. Yeah.
It's just like any other decision. This is like, would it help the business?
Yep.
Would it help
Yeah.
Raval? Would it help the audience?
Yeah, and would it help them as well?
Right.
Because I don't want to just think
Exactly.
about me. It should be a mutually, everybody
Yeah.
wins. Are we all going to win together? So that's what, like, it's really important for me. Like, if only I get,
Yeah.
that's a small mentality. That's a small time mentality.
Right.
I don't want to win once. I want
Yeah.
I'd rather have a smaller win
Yeah.
for the first time so that we all can win together, and
Yeah.
everybody feels like they got a piece of the
Yeah.
pie. But yeah, sometimes as a flex, I have said कि हाँ label नहीं है, ये वो नहीं है. That doesn't mean I'm anti. I'm just trying to sort
Right.
of like back myself up out here. It's hard being independent, you know. So like sometimes when you don't have that backing,
Right.
you just sort of, it's a braggadocious sport at the end of
Yeah.
the day, you know. I'm not making bhajan kirtan.
Yeah.
Like I'm making rap music.
Are there some topics you don't want to
Yeah,
touch?
yeah. There are some topics that nobody touches, bro, because certain stuff is way too personal.
Right.
And that, are there some
Right.
things that you will take to your grave?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
So it's just one
Yeah,
of
yeah.
those things ki, like certain things you just keep
Do
to
you-
yourself, and like everything you might say ki yeah,
Yeah.
I express everything in the wo, but like there are certain details which are like too
Right.
detailed
Right.
for you to just like rap about it like you don't
Yeah,
care.
yeah.
Like almost everybody that I know who have like trusted me with their stuff that I never
Yeah.
either se udhar karne ki aadat hai nahi, bro.
Right.
That's some, like, even if I'm not seeing eye to eye
Yeah.
with any of them, like I don't do that, and I pride myself
Do you?
ना मैंने अपनी को कई चीज़ें बोली हैं तो हर चीज़ नहीं
हाँ.
होता ब्रो. मेरे को ये ऑनेस्टली लगता है real rap, like, you know, I'm a real rap. Like, I mean, yeah, you
I
could
mean,
be.
they have
but
to say
yeah,
that, too, right?
yeah.
That's part of the game.
Yep, yep.
So, tell me, like, is there anybody you worked with where you felt you under-delivered and you should rewrite stuff? ऐसा हुआ है कभी? You felt like this was not doing justice because whatever, you had a time constraint की करना है deliver.
Bro, I think that song I did with Char Diwari called Garam. I mean, I wrote 4 more bars on it, and we had like those lines weren't put in the song because we had some creative differences at the time,
Yeah.
which really pissed me off. But then we resolved them later on, and
Yeah, yeah.
all's well that ends well. So there's no malice
Yeah, yeah.
or anything over
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yeah, but at that time I felt like I had, like I hadn't concluded my verse.
Yeah.
And I was like adamant ki,
There should be more.
yeah, and which was
Right.
eventually not. But I feel like that's also because the whole song's theme is,
Yeah, yeah, not decided.
yeah. I mean, this could come off as cocky also, but I'm
But
not trying to
has
be
there
cocky.
been like you felt ever कि तेरा ego बीच में आओ within your creative process?
यार ईगो से ज़्यादा मैं बोलूँगा आई थिंक थोड़े से ओल्ड पैटर्न्स आए हैं कि अब ऐसा है कि मतलब कई बार हम लाइक चल ठीक है यार अभी तक मैंने जो भी म्यूज़िक बनाया वो लिखा है और निकाल दिया. अब मुझे लगता है कि हाँ थोड़ा बहुत काटापुटी कर लिया अगर
Yeah.
और अगर लगता है और अच्छा
Also
कर
with
सकता
production.
है विद प्रोडक्शन भी हाँ थोड़ा और रिफाइन कर लिया अगर
Yeah.
यू नो पहले यूज्ड टू बी लाइक हाँ ये लिख दिया ये हो गया
Yeah.
15 गाने बना दिए डाल दिए एल्बम में कुछ
Yeah.
नहीं चेंज किया उसमें तो ये तो सही है भाई ये रॉ एक्सप्रेशन है
Yeah.
मेरा आजा आजा
Yeah.
आजा आजा या ये मेरा रॉ एक्सप्रेशन है
Yeah.
तो हाँ उस चीज़ में मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा बहुत और मैं
Yeah.
फ्लेक्सिबल हो रहा हूँ बट मुझे ऐसे नहीं लगता कि किसी ने मेरे को बहुत बढ़िया गाना दिया और फिर जाके मैंने उस पर एक
Yeah,
बेकार वर्स किया तो हो ही नहीं
Yeah, that's
सकता
just-
ब्रो.
Yeah, again, same
वो तो
quality,
हो ही नहीं
right?
सकता
Again,
मतलब.
quality.
हाँ
Like,
वो
that's
तो
something you
तो
don't
हो ही नहीं
compliment.
सकता वो हुआ ही नहीं है ब्रो.
And lastly, I think talk to me about Sherdil and
Yeah.
Sab Chahiye.
Yeah.
What was in your head, right? I'm trying to
Yeah.
now understand like what was the biggest difference you feel between the two in your head, like while making it, while releasing it.
I feel
what
like
was the mind space?
I feel like Jay-Z बोलता है ना कि मतलब your first album it takes like if you put out your first album at 26 which I think Jay-Z also did and so did I so that is 26 years in the making.
Yeah.
So that's how I feel about Sab Chahiye as like lyrically because when it comes to lyrics I think most of the lyrics on that record are mine. You know, the lyrical content and those are like
Right.
a lot of those stories like Tagore Garden,
Right.
Moth, Bombay Sapphire, Hook, you know, Baat Ban Gayi, Hook. Khush, like a lot of those stories are like straight up from like my life. So a lot of वो इतने टाइम के जो मेरे experiences थे उन पे वो गाने हैं. फिर उसके बाद फिर जो 3 साल 3.5 साल की जो मेरी up highs and lows थे that is Sherdil. Of course that has some of that also but I do it's like peeling onion layers कि मतलब मैंने उस चीज़ के बारे
One
में
is not
पहले
without
बात
the other also,
yeah
ना?
मैंने पहले बात कर रखी
Exactly.
है but now I'm gonna peel more layers.
Exactly.
And in terms of yeah production of course bro like
Yeah.
Sherdil was just me Sab Chahiye
Yeah.
was Bharg and me so we
Yeah.
complemented each other pretty well.
Right.
The contrast of
Right.
how we are as people
Yeah.
and like our shortcomings
Yeah.
and strengths just like bounced off each other in a very magical way almost. But Sherdil में I was like हाँ bro ये मेरा expression है और मैं अभी सीख रहा हूँ और ये mixtape है मेरे लिए. I am learning stuff and let's do this like
Yeah.
let's take this like it's almost like experimental for me.
Right. Right.
Like now after making Sherdil I feel like I have a better understanding of what works for me.
Yeah.
So that's also there.
It's a constant evolution.
Yeah, it's a constant evolution और मेरे को
Crazy.
खुद भी समझ में आ रहा है कि हाँ भाई
Yeah.
ये चीज़ें सही है ये चीज़
Yeah.
उतनी शायद सही नहीं है और ये वो and that was the case with like
Yeah.
Sab Chahiye also.
Yeah.
Like yeah, of course we have some songs that we're very proud of.
Yeah, yeah.
But we also have some songs that we're not
Yeah,
that
yeah.
proud of. To be like keep it 100.
Right.
You know?
Right. What's
Yeah.
next, bro? Like.
What's next is I'm not even sure if I want to say what's next. But I do know what's next. Just evolution, bro.
You feel like you're in the arena again, like
Yeah, I feel
back
like
in.
I feel like yeah, I feel
Yeah?
like I'm
Just
put
dusting
dust off
off.
my shoulder.
Yeah.
Getting back to it.
Yeah.
Like I said,
Round three.
reverse engineering,
Round 3.
dissecting.
Right.
Round 3, definitely, and
Sahi.
more direction,
Yeah.
more direction, less
Yeah.
random,
Acha.
more direction.
Crazy.
Yeah, not like abhi tak it's been like
Yeah.
this is me.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
it's sort of been like
But it's even more locked in. It's even more zoned in.
now it's like now it's gonna be like
Yeah.
a bit more purpose, a bit more cohesive, a bit more cohesive.
Yeah, I think that's the
Like
right word.
yeah, the cohesiveness.
Right.
Yeah.
But cool, man. This was
Yeah,
amazing.
Round 2. Yeah, bro. I
don't
almost feel
think-
bad that I didn't get to ask you questions.
You can host your own podcast.
Yeah.
This is,
yeah.
you know.
Yeah. I'll have to have my own podcast for that. True.
But cool,
But
man.
yeah,
This was really nice.
Yeah,
I think.
bro. Come on.
Yeah, man. This was
Don't leave me
amazing.
hanging. Yeah.
Team India.
Yeah, always, bro. And yeah, we went to school today. That was crazy.
Yeah.
But हाँ भाई मज़ा आया मेरे को काफ़ी ज़्यादा और love you brother
Yeah, of
for
course.
sure.
man.
Very proud of
You
you.
don't need to say that even.
Why
Yeah,
not?
yeah.
You know I say it. On call also I say it.
Yeah,
I say it
yeah.
over here also.
Yeah, man. This
Yeah.
is a
Very proud of you.
cherished relationship.
Yup. Very proud of
All
you.
right.
Thank you so much for listening into today's conversation with Shivam. This was a really important piece of me that I shared with you. If you like this content, please go subscribe. And if you think this episode could help somebody, please share it with them. I know Raval has real fans, die-hard fans, the Raval fans. Let them know this episode is out. I wish you the best. Thank you so much.